Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hello. Welcome. This is Hot Top Trader here. So welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna talk about Ethereum, Bitcoin. Okay, going into bear markets. Okay. So you can see here, right? Bitcoin is going to the bear market. Okay. So the most important reason right now, what I'm looking at is actually 30,000. Okay. So 30,000 is the resistance that the support that I'm looking at right now. 30,000 is very important. Shit. Interact. So we'll search for BTC USD. Okay. Bitcoin US dollar. So launch chart. So where's my chart? This chart is not set up here. Actually, I have a feeling, okay, that Bitcoin is actually going to bear market. Why? You see the low here that we have in May 15, 2020. Okay, it was 4,000, and if you scroll up until 69,000, just recent high here, it has actually gone up 1,476%. Okay, that is almost 14 times from the low there. So I have a feeling right now, this is the peak. Of course, I know a lot of people still talking about the possibility that Bitcoin is still going up. First, long term Bitcoin is going up for sure, but so what we do here is if you are trading, you're screwed, because the margin trading in Bitcoin is not very easy to trade. Okay, so what I do here is I just do swing trading, buy and sell. That's all you do. Okay, that will be easier. What I do, just mostly spot. You'll find that if you just trade spot, you'll make money instantly. Okay, if you trade future or you trade anything that with a margin, you always get into trouble or losing money, because your broker is not always in your interest. Okay, that conversation we'll leave it for another day. So okay, cipher. So sorry, I have to set up. So want me to log in? Yeah. Shit. Okay. What the hell? I'm gonna log in on another account. Fine. Okay. you know why. Okay, so we just use the most simple indicator here. Yeah, just use RSI. See when I can use RSI or not. Okay. Actually, this is really good enough. Don't need to use any other indicator, to be honest with you. So this is the indicator I'm gonna work with. Where is my indicator setting? Unset. So yeah, just cross here and just leave it. So what we do here is actually look at the moving average, right? Look at here, right? We have the divergence here. It's very clear divergence. I just have a feeling most of the crypto YouTuber are actually living in the. They just cannot accept that they're going to the bear market. Look at this, okay? Look at this. This is a fucking divergence, man, on daily time frame. And no, this is monthly. This is fucking divergent. Okay? So every time we have divergence, right? What happens at the market? Just you see this cross here? Okay? This is moving average because it's exactly the same moving average that you use on the chart here. Very close, okay? But look at this. Okay? So once it's crossed here, just go into the bear market. So look at it here, okay? So it has already crossed down here already. You can see the RSI is actually below the moving average. I'm not sure what moving average is this. Okay, I think this is 14. That's good enough. Okay, even you use 20, so it's standard deviation of 2. No, standard deviation of 1. You see? You've crossed this line and now we're going to bear market, man. Divergent, and then we have this increase in volume here. So price push up. Think about it. After volume, what is it? No volume, right? Here, right? There's nothing. There's no volume here. Okay. So every time you have this volume increase, price just shoot up, right? You can see here also. Now this. Because this is a monthly chart, it looks very. Okay, you see here, volume go up, right? Okay, after that, what happened? Price just drop. Okay, so volume increase indicate that we are at a peak. Usually, not all the time. Okay, so we look at 2018. So 2018, the top, okay, was 19,000. Okay. So we're 19,000 here. So this is what happened, right? Volume increase here, go up. Okay. Maybe you go to weekly time frame, a bit clearer here. Crazy, man. See volume increase here, price shoot up, and then just drop after that. We have a divergence here, okay? Even on weekly time frame, you see, man, you got the divergence, man, bearish divergence. So price actually going down already. Just in my own opinion, we're going to bear market, man. This crypto YouTuber, they're just crazy, man. I can tell you, they are really crazy. Just cannot accept the fact that we're going to bear market, man. I just don't know why. Okay, see here, volume increase. So after volume increase, what? Price drop. Okay, just don't compare here. You just compare here. You have a lot of volume here, right? The average volume just go up. Okay, so because the volume can be different every time, but here is increased volume. Okay, so increased volume, then price shoot up, right? So here what? So volume slowly going down. Okay, this is the highest volume that we have on this day. Okay, March 9 of March. Then after that, we'll experience decrease in volume, just like this. And here we have zero volume. So now that people talking about the macroeconomics, the macro, what do you call it? The macro of Bitcoin. They talk about Oh, the on-chain analysis that more and more bitcoins actually move out of more from the broker, from the exchange, and then store in most of the bitcoin store inside this off chains. Okay, so that doesn't tell me that decrease in supply doesn't mean that the price will go up. Okay, so so the supply in the exchange is decreasing every single day, just getting lesser and lesser. Just what happens is that, just my own opinion is that the price of Bitcoin is going to be more volatile when there's very little supply, because it takes very little for you to manipulate the price. Okay, so it could going down or could go down, we don't know. Okay, it may just flash crash here. Okay, from 45,000 drop maybe until 1,000 something, because I can see that what those funds are doing actually, they're trying to push down. Okay, they're trying to short the market. That's what I'm seeing right now. Nobody have any interest to actually push the price up. So all the fundamental all the news that tells me that whoever is buying Bitcoin at what price, I think those are actually bullshit, because they just tell you how much they buy, but they do not tell you how much they actually sold. Okay, so this is a freaking bearish divergence. Okay, so this is telling me that coin is coming down, bro. Okay, so we try to look at another indicator, see whether it's telling us the same thing, just to get confirmation, right? We like confirmation, is it? Can I use this? Okay. It doesn't matter whether you look at this or not, to be honest, because you see we're a big cross here, right? Here also the same thing, we're cross here, so price drop, and then we cross here another again. Exactly the same thing like this one actually. So MACD also telling the same thing, right? You had extreme also area, okay? It's very difficult to see here. It's okay. That awesome indicator, something like that. So awesome oscillator here, right? Okay, awesome oscillator is easier to read because it tells you how much volume the price changes as well. Look at this. This is very big price changes here, right here, and it's only decrease in volume here. Tells you something? Does it tell you something? So this increases volume and then drop. This is the bear market on December 17. Okay, so see, even on weeklies, it's so hard to read. Okay, just because the price is too volatile, like it can just move very fast, right? That's why it's very hard. You see this always happen when the volume increase like this one. Okay, this is actually not just this. Somehow these are also this is actually the price changes, right? When the price changes very fast, okay, increasing volume and volatility, okay, that causes that after that you'll have price drop. Okay, so what happens that people are looking for this push up, the second push up here, right? They're thinking this parabolic push up it's not yet happened yet, so they're waiting for this one. So we'll look at, so what they'll do is they'll wait for January and February, or maybe latest to March, see whether this second leg up is going to happen or not, because we don't know whether we're going to get it or not. Okay, the second leg up. Okay, you see here, right? So every time Bitcoin push up here, okay, you'll get the second leg here. So what happened this year is that we did not get this second leg here. So a lot of people are actually very disappointed. You're supposed to get the second leg here, okay, and then double top and then just drop. But think about it, right now we have a lot of fund manager, okay, we have a lot of fun, okay, trading this bloody market right now. So you're not going to get this like like correct, okay, so easily, okay. They are not going to give you. Just compare the price changes from here, this year, and this year. You see, it become very very small. The price changes, right? Right. This year price changes very big here. Okay, it's getting bigger and bigger. Look at this here. It's the biggest out of the history of Bitcoin. Okay, the changes are the biggest over here. Awesome. Oscillator also tell us that we are having divergence here also. Okay, so all indicator giving the same thing. Of course, you can say that you know, both are actually oscillator, but to me, price is actually overbought right now. Here, right? We should overbought. Now we got 60 something. It's still reasonable. Now we dropped to 40 something. You need to drop even lower to like below 20 here. Whether you want to buy it or not, you could choose like you buy around here. Of course, some people they prefer to look at the rainbow indicator or something like that. You look at other indicator, is up to you, but to me I just use simple indicator that tells me that okay, now we are fucked up zone. Okay, just pack and leave the market. We are getting a bear market. We're going to a bear market. Winter is coming. Conservative, take a profit and go. So where's my 3 EMA? Let's look at 3 EMA. See if I can get it. It's comedy script, so I cannot get it. Sucks. So those are built-in. So I can use built-in only. Okay, that's fine. We use built-in. So what is it? 9. Okay, fine. You could change to 20. 20 will be more accurate. Okay, use 20 here. See, cross 20. Now going down already. So every time we cross this 20, right? Prices drop. Prices drop here. Then we cross back again, and then prices just shoot up parabolic like this one. Okay, look at this right now. We crossed again here. So what I'm going to get? Maybe here. 15,000 is my target, I think. So my low is for this year, right? There's a possibility that the price will drop 80%, right? 80 to 90%, right? Like our previous cycle. So it's actually 5,000. If we drop 5,000, if we drop 80% only, okay, that is 10,000. So 10 to 5,000 is my area. Okay, of course you could argue that the previous low was 4,000. You know, anything could happen in the market. Okay, you cannot say that. You know, every cycle you have to follow the previous one. The low here could be lower. Could be around this area as well. Could be going down to 5,000. There's a possibility, but I think 14,000 here is reasonable. Okay. Why? Because this is the top of previous cycle. So maybe we get previous cycle top here. Maybe this is the low. So I bought around 30,000 something here. Still I'm not selling. I'm waiting for price to drop here and then we'll buy more. Okay, I just leave it because there's still possibility that price could just go up from here and then give us that second leg. Possible. I'm not sure whether it's going to happen or not. It's just possible. Just the possibility is there. Whether so you see that it's gonna drop like this, or you could just go out like this. Okay, so I'm ready for this one, but here also I'm also ready. This price drop, I'm gonna average down. Okay, so we wait for 2025, okay, or 2024 May is the expected halving date. Okay, so just wait for that. Okay, whether it will happen again, you know, I really like this kind of market because it's just very cyclical. It kills people when prices drop. and I'm very happy when price drop. Okay, I'm gonna buy, not just actually I'm not gonna buy Bitcoin. Okay, I'm not gonna buy a lot of Bitcoin. Okay, I'm gonna buy some, but most I'm gonna buy stocks. Okay, I'll buy a lot of Mara. Okay, can talk about it next time, but you know, one of the kind of stock that I feel like is something that I'll hold because first, Mara mining cost is very low. Okay, and secondly, Mara just increased their mining capacity by tenfold. Okay, they are going to increase. They just increase, I think 400%. Sorry, and then they project to increase by tenfold from today. They're going to increase by tenfold before I think 2023. Okay, first quarter 2023. They are going to have. They're going to produce. Now they are producing 200 to 400 Bitcoin. Okay, by then they will have produced around. Estimate. Okay, I'm just estimating. Maybe. Okay, maybe around 4,000 per month. Okay, maybe 4,000 per quarter. I think it's 4,000 per quarter, yes. It's gonna get 4,000 per quarter, okay? So just think about it, 4,000 per quarter, and then the electricity cost is only 6,000 USD. They're gonna make crazy money. So at this kind of price right now, right? Just imagine they're making 90% gross profit, okay, for miners, okay? So miners has this if miners sell right now, right, they're going to capture 90% profit, okay, instantly just pressing the button. So think about it, if miner is in profit right now, is it reasonable to buy right now? Right? It's very high, so when you buy for a miner is at slight loss or something like that, so maybe around 6,000 to 10,000, okay. If miner mining cost is 6,000, okay, then that might be the price that you buy, okay. Maybe next time I'll show you the presentation of Mara, okay. Just get you to understand what is the mining cost right now, and because these kind of markets, right, miners are very important, okay. Miners actually are holding the most Bitcoin right now, okay. Not just us, okay. They, you know, they hold more than us, okay. So they are the ones who have incentive to sell, okay. But for holders like us, we just keep buying only, right? We don't sell, right? Because you know we have nothing to pay. We have no commitment. For them, they have commitments, okay. At this kind of rate, with this kind of profit, they have very good intention, okay, to sell it to us, for those who hodl. So here, mining cost 6,000. Maybe around 14,000 to 20,000 is your buying range, or maybe possibly drop to 5,000. Somewhere that I'm going to buy. Okay, those are prices that I'll buy. Okay, I'm gonna buy Mara. Okay, but we'll wait a few years. You see, now it's 2024. Okay, what I'm gonna do is we're going to wait for another few years. Down the road, we're gonna get it, and hopefully, right, we'll make money from it. Okay, because for this cycle I'm almost consider missing the cycle already, okay, because this is my first time trading it. To be honest, I did not trade the cycle before. I knew about Bitcoin, but I didn't really go in. I didn't really bought Bitcoin, and I didn't know how to do it. Okay, so because now it's getting easier and easier to buy Bitcoin nowadays, and I'm sure a lot of people join to come to the market and then just collect Bitcoins. Okay, I think that's all for today. Okay, for Ethereum, you know, I feel the same way as well. Okay, price coming down to maybe this area here, 1,000. Okay, just buy around 1,000 to pick here. Okay, maybe around 1,000 is 2,003. Okay, but I remember I bought it around 1,008. Okay, the other day I bought around 1,008. This one 2017. Okay, doesn't show here. Why, very weird. I think this chart is wrong. Okay, I bought around so you see, cross here, 20 cross already. So what it's going to tell you? It's telling that the price is dropping. Okay, increase volume. So now price go up, drop volume. Okay, what's that? Increase volume to push the price up. Okay, and then reduce volume to. Okay, here they sold everything. That's why our volume is low. Yeah, because they sold everything here on the way up. They sold here, really here. Maybe around this price, they really starting to sell. So now there's no very little volume. So if they just want to push the price down, you just want to manipulate the market. You just press one button with very little money. You can just manipulate the market, push the price down. Yeah. Okay. Oh, previous cycle, Ethereum was only like 70 to 100. So now the highest is 4,000. Okay. So price has actually gone by 40 times. Okay. I think I bought around here or something like that. Around Ethereum is I remember around 2,000 ringgit, but yeah, around 500 USD I think, and then price just shoot up from here to there. Remember I make 10 times. So price dropping, okay, I'll accumulate more at 1,300 or 1,200. I think this should be the resistance. Okay, just let it be, bro. Increase volume, price shoot up, increase volume. Okay. Do I have previous cycle? No, I don't have previous cycle. This is the second cycle. Okay. Go around here, you will reach very rich. But yeah, you know what's going to happen, right? So there's no volume here. But what I see from here, right? After here, right, decrease volume. Here is where the fund came back, and yeah, they buy even more here. See, and push the price up again, and drop again. See, you just look at here, don't look at here. Okay, the peak here is usually the volume, and then this drop. Okay. After volume drop, price follow. And you see the cross here as well. 20 cross. Okay. So very simple technical analysis. Don't complicate it. Few reasons fundamentally. Recap. Divergence. Reduce volume. And then to me is interest rate. Okay. It's more important because Fed is tapering. Okay, they're expecting to increase 3 times interest rate next year, so price dropping. Okay, so when Fed increase interest rate, usually risk asset like Ethereum or Bitcoin is going to drop heavily. It's going to affect them. Okay, unless they change their mind and say, oh, we're not going to increase interest rate next year, then yes, price might push up again. Otherwise, no, I don't think so. Price dropping. See you again next week, maybe tomorrow, not sure, maybe next time. Okay, see you again next time. I'll be more prepared for the next stream. This time just testing the new gear here. I just got it today. Seems like, you know, everything is very clear. I can hear my voice better, and I'm sure you also could feel it. Okay, better voice right now. Okay, see you guys.